So today we are going to explore a topic called self-discipline. So first we'll understand what self-discipline means. Self-discipline is the ability to control one's emotions, behaviors, desires to achieve a greater goal. So what does that mean? In order to be self-disciplined, you have to control the emotions, with desires, with feelings. In today's world, the average person spends 2 hours daily on social media. That means the 700 hours in a year. That could be invested to learn a new skill, build a side hustle, or build a business. But unfortunately, people are wasting their time on social media, on Instagram, scrolling reels, watching TikTok, watching YouTube videos of others. In order to overcome from these activities, we need self-discipline in our lives. Self-discipline also helps to improve the financial health. It builds the habit of saving and investing. And self-discipline also helps you to improve your productivity skills, enhance your productivity completely and change it. And self-discipline also helps you in your personal growth. It builds your character. And now I'm gonna say about some strategies to build self-discipline. So the first thing is to set clear goals. What do you want to achieve financially, personally, in a certain amount of time? The second thing is to develop a routine. Structure a day to include time for work, rest and learning. And the third thing is to eliminate the temptation. Identify the distraction, the things that are distracting you from your goals and visions, and then remove them from your life. So the fourth thing is to prioritize long-term benefits over short-term pleasures. Don't go for the short-term pleasures, aim for the long-term benefits. And the last thing is to stay accountable. Share your goal with someone who can keep you on track. And also among the most successful people in the world like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Cristiano Ronaldo, Mr. Beast, they have a common thing, that is they all have self-discipline. And you have also seen them in interviews saying about discipline, consistency, hard work. So this is the thing that makes them at the top level. So this is how much self-discipline is important. Without it you will never reach to the next level. And remember, the most important thing, that the path of discipline will not be easy. It will not be easy. You have to face challenges, obstacles, and there will also be days of doubts and temptation. But each time you choose discipline over anything, you will get one step closer to your goal. Start today, don't wait for tomorrow. Identify one area of your life where you can be disciplined and stick to it. And commit to it for the next 30 days and observe the transformation. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you found any value in this video, share it, like it and subscribe.